UKG, welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are staying well and you are practicing whatever I am sharing with you, right? So can you tell me last class what we have done? We have done vowels, right? We have done A, E, I sound. Yes? Now today we are going to do the rest of the vowels left. So what are those two letters? O and U. O and U. So we will see how we pronounce O and how we pronounce U. Okay? With the help of other consonants, and we will join them together and we will frame words. Right? Now let's take example of O. Now how do we say when we use O? Like for example, J-O-B. How will you say? Job. J-J, we pronounce in this way. B-B, you already know. Now O, we pronounce it in this way. So J-O-B, job. Job. O, job. Clear? Then if I say R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. In this way we pronounce O. Okay? Like owl. When we say owl, then it's a long stretch, right? So how do we say? O-W-L. Owl. Owl. It gives you A, then ul. Owl. Owl sound. Okay? So in this way, we use our vowels and consonants and we frame words. So now you are learning this, how to pronounce different words with the help of vowels. Okay? So let's go. With the help of this too, we will write the words. Okay? So let's go for it. So class UKG students are ready. Take out your CW copy. Write today's date. What is the date? 28. Then you will write 4. Then you will write 21. Clear? Then below that you will write CW. Below that you will write CW. Clear? Now I hope you all know that you are doing it in a fresh page, right, UKG students? Okay. Now let's start the words. At the top you write O sound. O sound. So now you know the spelling of sound also. S-O-U-N-D. Now like yesterday, today also we will do the same thing. Let's see what are the ending letters. First we will do with O-B. Okay. Then we will do with O-X. O-X. So we will change the consonant and we will find out words. Then we will do O-T. Clear? And finally we will do O-G. So UKG, don't get confused. Take your copy, write down date and CW. At the top write O sound and make 4 lines. Take mama's help and make 4 lines and write these headings. Done? Now let's start. So OB, I told you at the beginning, J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. Change J and write R. So what is the pronunciation? R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. Next, S-O-B, sob. S-O-B, sob. You know S pronunciation, so. So S-O-B, sob. Done? Now O-X. O-X itself is one word. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Done? Now we add this B before O-X and it becomes a box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, what is it? Fox. F-O-X, fox. Clear? Next, O-T. How will you pronounce? D-O-T, dot. See, all O is having the similar pronunciation. Only we are changing the consonants. D-O-T, dot. C-O-T, cot. Correct? H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. You can write P-O-T, pot. Okay, I have not written. You can write. No problem. Now the last one. O-G. Let's see. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Right? D-O-G, dog. Then we have L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Done? And the last one. F-O-G, fog. So this is the way we pronounce O with the help of different consonants, right? If the ending letters is O-B, we pronounce it how? Like J-O-B, job. If it is O-X, then B-O-X, box. X is having its own pronunciation, so it's box. O-T, then D-O-T, dot. O-G, D-O-G, dog. Clear? U sound, S-O-U-N-D. Let's learn. So again make column. U-B first we will do. Then we will do U-G. Clear? Then we will do U-N. So these are all ending letters. And we will do U-T. We will do U-T. So we will start with U-B. Like C-U-B, cub. Now U is giving you A sound, umbrella. In that way, C-U-B, cub. R-U-B, rub. Okay? T-U-B, tub. Done? Now B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. R-U-G, rug. Because G is having G pronunciation. So R-U-G, rug. Now U-N, B-U-N, bun. So it's very easy, you know, UKG students. You just change the consonant. You know the pronunciation of the consonant. So just spell it out. Simple. B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, what will you say? You know G sound is G. N sound is N. U sound is A. So, gun. Clear? S-U-N, sun. Done? Now, U-T. Let's see. H-U-T, what will you say? Hut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-T, butt. You can say C-U-T, cut. You can write also if you want. C-U-T, cut. Done? So what we have learned today? Today we have done O and U sound. We have learned the pronunciation and we have also learned few spellings. So UKG, I hope you all have understood what we were doing today. Today we have done O and U sound, right? We have done few related words with those sounds, right? Now what you will do, UKG, you will take your CW copy where you have written it and keep it with you. I will send you the answers which we have done, which we have written today. You will just match it with that. Okay? Now UKG, see, your conversation, your phonetics, your handwriting is also going with your English class, right? So these are all yesterday's class and today's class. You can relate with phonics class also because we were doing pronunciations, okay, of alphabets, letters, right? We have done few conversation questions also, right? And we have started with our handwriting cursive. So I told you that you should scribble. Take a rough copy and keep on scribbling. So 1 week time I have given you. I hope you all have started doing that and your hands are now little flexible. Your fingers are flexible. So you can start writing the other letters. We have started with letter A and letter B. So now I would tell you one thing. In your English copy, take the full page. Like for example, this is not English copy, but I am showing you. If this is the copy, take the first line, okay? Write here A and B, and here also write A and B in your 4-line copy, okay? So after writing A here and B here, draw one margin and complete this full line, line writing in cursive, capital letter, small letter, A, B, B, the way you are writing in the book, okay? So same way, this is your HW which you are going to do in your CW copy, okay? And once you complete this, you submit it in the Google Classroom. There also I will upload, in which I'll upload the date and what you have to do, so that you are clear with the thing, okay? And within the date, you complete your work and submit it to me, okay? Only handwriting homework I have given. You have to write capital letter A, capital letter B, small letter A, small letter B, okay? So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Take care till then. Bye-bye.